Hello guys and welcome to my 19th video tutorial on PHP, and basically this video is a continuation from the last video that we did the script to my form, okay, to this form here. So I hope you guys have this already in your notepad, okay, these two files and the script. So I run the script to see if it worked, and it gave me some errors, okay? And I found that the error is because instead of parentheses here after the post variable, we have to type square brackets and not parentheses. Okay, so let's change that and put some square brackets in all the posts variables where the values are. Okay, so here and here, confirm password, and also in here. And that's it. Okay, let's save it. And let's go to the browser to see the form. So the form is in localhost form.php. Okay, so now we have the form and ready to go with the script ready to go as well. And if I click submit, a message will appear saying you have to type a name. Okay, which is the message I have here. Okay, this message appears because the PHP code reads first the first line, which is the if statement, and this basically means that check if exists a name, or if a name exists in your form. Okay, and in my form the name is here, right? Because we gave the name. Okay, this other value is named email. Okay, and you see here in the second line the variable post has the value with the name email. Okay, so this is to check the name, this is to check the email if you have typed something in the email here. Okay, so it checks this one first, then it checks the email, and then the address, the password, and confirm password. Okay, see, if address exists, if password exists, if confirm password exists. At last but not least, it checks if password, okay, is equal to confirm password. This means that it checks this value here, whatever you type in here, is equal the same as the value you type in here. Okay, and if all those conditions are correct and you typed all in those inputs, and at the end you type a password and you also type equal confirm password, you'll receive an echo message saying your form has been sent successfully. So let's try that. Also, for each time you don't type a name or an email, you have the correspondent else statement. Okay, so for example, this first one, okay, if you don't type anything in the name input, you'll have the else code running, which is an echo saying you have to type a name. Okay, you already saw that. If I submit, the first thing it appears, it's this code here. If, for example, I type a name, I submit, and this message appears. You have to type an email. Okay, so that message appears because I already typed a name. So PHP checks this one, this if condition as okay or true, and it goes to the next one. And the next one is email. So I don't type any email. So an else, the code which is in the else statement runs that says you have to type an email. So basically this is if this is true or if it's checked, the name is checked, go to the next line. If this is checked, go to the next line, go to the next line. So until it reaches this last one, okay, and echoes this. If for some reason you don't type an email or address, this code, the else code, will run, okay, and for each if statement you have an else, okay. So for this one, you see this these dots here, okay, they correspond to the else for each one of the conditions or the ifs. This if here, the else is correspondent is this one here, okay. So for this one, the address one is this one here, okay. So that's pretty much how the script works, okay. And you have a lot of if conditions or statements with a lot of else's, and an else for each of the ifs, okay. So let's type an email now. If I type submit, the address, it asks me for the address. Let's type an address, whatever, the 3rd Street. And now let's type a password, 12345, 12345. I submit, and that's it. I received the message saying your form has been sent successfully. Okay? Perfect. So each if statement has checked as okay or true until it reached this echoes, the final if statement, which is the comparison between the first password and the confirmed password, and then echo. If, for example, what do you think if the password is not equal to the confirmed password? If I type a password and then I confirm it with another password, we would receive this else code here, which says echo, your password doesn't match. Okay, so let's try that. So I have here a password 12345, and here let's type 123. Submit, and there it is. Your password doesn't match, or your passwords don't match. It's better. So let's see that. Let's go back. 1, 2, 3, and 1, 2. Submit. Your passwords don't match. Okay, perfect. So the code only runs, or this message only will run if all the if statements are correct. So they are. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Submit. Oops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Whatever. And that's it. And that's how basically the script works. Or you can build your own script with your own conditions or if statements, and your own strings or messages, error messages. Okay, you can change these messages whenever you want. So that's it. The code works perfectly. In the next videos, we are going to start using the database, okay, the MySQL database. And so instead of taking the values from the form here and just echoing some messages, okay, I'm going to show you, and you'll learn how to take those values and insert those values into a database, okay, MySQL database. So you'll have that way you'll have the names or emails or address or passwords of your users into a database, into your own database. Okay, and you will also I'm also showing you how to change, for example, a password if you want to change a password, or how to confirm if with a login, how to confirm if the password is correct, and build a login form to enter with your username and password. Okay, so that's it, and hope you guys understood this, how this works. So see you guys in the next video, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click tutorials. Okay, bye.